Mahing buntag sa tanan.
Hi guys, good morning. Time check. It's 7:20 in the morning.
Yeah, happy Saturday. So, Carol, ngano naka-ilis man ka?
Moatog for Jan.
Ay bibili ng gulay. And we have a short
Actually,
walk also,
yeah.
guys. So, unsa may itong mga reminders sa itong kaugalingon, Carol? Para total package ang relax sa Saturday.
Okay. So, ang reminders lang nato sa itong kaugalingon o sa mga mutanaw sa video is that whatever is worrying you right now, forget about it. Take a deep breath and stay positive that things will get better.
Oh, wow.
Kuha na siya, in connection na siya sa last nato na video ba, na muagi na whatever is worrying you right now.
That's it. Happy Saturday, guys.
Just think positive.
Yeah. Happy Saturday. God bless
God
us
bless
all.
everyone.